Paragraph definition, paragraph in a sentence, paragraph pronunciation, paragraph meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of paragraph. 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 Paragraph as a noun means a distinct section of a piece of writing. Common usages in academic writing: at the beginning of the paragraph, at the end of the paragraph, to start a new paragraph, the closing paragraph, the opening paragraph, the next paragraph, to write a paragraph. Example sentences: paragraph noun. At the beginning of each paragraph, consider adding a transition from the previous paragraph. Example sentence number 2. You can separate your comparing and contrasting arguments into 2 separate paragraphs. Example sentence number 3. Your closing paragraph should recap your main findings or argument. Please write a sentence using paragraph in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of paragraph, the meaning of paragraph, and paragraph example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.